Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to replace an engine air filter. First, locate the air filter housing, typically on the passenger side of your engine bay. You will see two metal clips holding the cover in place. Release these clips. If there are any small hoses or sensors connected to the air box, carefully disconnect them now. This prepares the housing for easy access. Now, with the clips released and any connections undone, gently lift the air filter housing cover. This will reveal the old, dirty air filter inside. Take a moment to notice how the filter is oriented. This is important for installing the new one correctly. Then, simply pull the old air filter straight out of its compartment. It might be a bit dusty. With the old filter removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully insert the fresh air filter into the housing. Make sure it sits flush and is oriented exactly as the old one was. This ensures proper airflow and filtration. Take a moment to double-check that the filter is perfectly seated all around its edges. A good seal is crucial. Finally, let's put everything back together. Reconnect any hoses or sensors you detached earlier to the air box. Carefully lower the air filter housing cover back into place. Press down firmly and re-engage the two metal clips to secure it. Give everything a quick check to ensure all connections are tight and the housing is completely sealed. You're all set.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.